Hi everybody. I've been working behind mixers and in studios and live situations for over 40 years, working with everything from Shure dynamic microphones to high-end Sennheisers. Believe me, I know what good audio costs. The Fifine AmpliTank 6 is nothing short of revolutionary at this price point. The dynamic capsule provides the rich, broadcast-ready sound you need, but the real power is in the dual connection flexibility. The key features that deliver pro value: the true XLR output. This is the most crucial part. I can bypass my PC's audio chain and plug this mic directly into my professional interface or mixer, just like any of the other high-end studio mics, ensuring the cleanest signal path. If you don't want to use an XLR, the USB plug and play for quick recording or travel. The USB output is flawless and requires no extra gear. On the body itself, you get zero latency monitoring via a headphone jack and independent mic gain and headphone volume dials for perfect immediate adjustments. The tactile mute button is easy, silent, and is a luxury that I appreciate during live sessions. This microphone offers the sound quality and features of a true studio workhorse. If you're serious about upgrading your audio for podcasting or streaming, the ability to grow into XLR setups makes the AmpliTank 6 from Fifine the smartest purchase you can make.